Hello. So now to look into the next problem. So the problem reads as, from the following calculate, say in total 5 different requirements he has enlisted. A, or number 1, you have been asked to either calculate or ascertain effective kilometers per annum. B, effective passenger kilometers per annum. C, total fuel consumption. D, total cost of fuel. Next, cost of fuel per kilometer. Say which different informations are furnished. Say in the first instance, distance of one-way route 40 kilometers, round trips per day 3, days operated in a month 25, seating capacity 50 passengers, occupancy 80%, fuel consumption 6 kilometers per liter, rate of fuel, say don't get aback, maybe rate of fuel it is quoted at rupees 15 per liter, 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ per liter ಅದೇ. Now, how in the first instance what you have been asked to ascertain or calculate effective kilometers per annum. Say the formula to ascertain effective kilometers is, distance covered one way or distance covered into number of trips per day into number of days operated multiplied by number of months operated. Why number of months operated? It is in this problem because say all the informations have been furnished in terms of per annum, in the sense you have been asked to ascertain effective kilometers per annum, effective passenger kilometer per annum as such. Therefore, though days operated in a month is 25 it needs to be multiplied by 12 months. Why 12 months? Because you have been asked to ascertain it annually or on an annual basis. Therefore, distance covered one way or distance covered into number of trips per day into number of days operated into number of months operated, say all these are to be multiplied by. Now, distance covered one way. How much is the distance covered one way? 40 kilometers multiplied by number of trips per day. So far as number of trips per day is concerned, specifically given in the problem as round trips per day 3. In the sense, the vehicle makes 3 round trips per day. Just about half an hour back or so, I have made a reference pertaining to meaning of round trip. Round trip means onward plus return. 2 trips is equivalent to 1 round trip. Now, how many number of round trips per day were travelled by that particular vehicle? Say the total number of trips travelled by that vehicle is 3 round trips, totaling to 6 trips. Therefore, into bracket it is written as 3 into 2 because 3 round trips, in the sense 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 1 round trip comprising of 2 trips, 3 round trips comprising of 6 trips multiplied by number of days operated in a month. Number of days operated in a month specifically given as 25 days multiplied by number of months operated. Say an year comprises of 12 months because the above informations you have been, on the basis of the above information you have been asked to ascertain effective kilometers per annum. Therefore, multiplied by 12 months. If it were to be as effective kilometers per month, then you need not have to multiply it by 12 months. Minutely keep in mind, never forget. Say per annual requirement when is there in this problem, accordingly it has been multiplied by 12 months. If it is given as per month, then you need not have to multiply it by 12. Therefore, total effective kilometers stood at 72,000. Minutely observe, only effective kilometers covered by that vehicle is arrived at 72,000 kilometers. Now, which is the second requirement? Second requirement being effective passenger kilometer. What you have ascertained above, the thing which you have ascertained above is only effective kilometers. The second requirement being effective passenger kilometer per annum. Therefore, effective passenger kilometers per annum is equal to 72,000 kilometers, that is effective kilometers multiplied by seating capacity multiplied by occupancy. That is, to ascertain the effective passenger kilometer, you have to give weightage to, or you have to stress upon, or you have to give impetus to passenger aspect. Now, how much is the seating capacity of the vehicle? Seating capacity of the vehicle is 50 and the occupancy is specifically given in the problem as 80%. Therefore, just now as above, having calculated effective kilometers at 72,000 effective kilometers multiplied by seating capacity 50 passengers multiplied by on an average, that is average occupancy 80%, then the total effective passenger kilometer, it stands at, or it is arrived at 28,80,000 kilometers. Say second requirement is over. Thereupon third requirement being total fuel consumption. So now, how about the total fuel consumption? It is specifically given in the problem as the vehicle consumption of your fuel by the vehicle is concerned 6 kilometers per liter. When the vehicle consumes 1 liter of petrol or diesel to cover a distance of 6 kilometers, now the point to be stressed at the present juncture is that, say 72,000 kilometers should be taken, but not your 28,80,000 kilometers. No, it is not 28,80,000 kilometers, but 72,000 kilometers divided by 6 kilometers per liter. The resultant figure would be 12,000 liters of fuel it is consumed by that particular vehicle. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬಂತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, 72,000 ಯಾಕೆ, 28,80,000 ಯಾಕಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ವಿನಃ ಸೀಟ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಕೂತ್ರ ಬಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಕೂತ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಲು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸು ಗಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತರವನ್ನು ಕ್ರಮಿಸದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 72,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸು. ಆ 72,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ವಿನಃ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊನೆ ತನಕ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ದರ್ ಫೋರ್ 72,000 effective kilometers covered by that vehicle divided by, say, fuel consumption per liter, that is the fuel consumption per liter is 6 kilometers. Therefore, 12,000 liters is the total fuel consumed by that particular vehicle during 1 year. Thereupon, which is the next requirement? Total cost of fuel. So far as total cost of fuel is concerned, you have arrived at, or you have ascertained the fuel consumed during the year 12,000 liters multiplied by, say, rate per liter, that is rate of fuel per liter, it is given as rupees 15. Therefore, 12,000 liters of fuel multiplied by rate per liter of fuel rupees 15, it works out to 1,80,000. Thus, the annual fuel consumption expressed in monetary terms, it is arrived at rupees 1,80,000. Then last requirement, cost of fuel per kilometer. You have been asked to ascertain cost of fuel per kilometer. When the annual consumption of fuel put in monetary terms, when it is expressed as rupees 1,80,000, it is to cover how many kilometers for during 1 year. Say 1,80,000 worth of fuel it has been consumed by that particular vehicle, covering a distance of 72,000 per annum. So therefore, how much is the cost of fuel per kilometer? So the cost of fuel per kilometer, it would be rupees 2.50. So thus, fuel consumption cost per liter, it stood at rupees 2.50. If you could get digested these 2 points, say, which have been solved today, definitely in due course of time you will not be faced with any problem, because so far as preparation of cost sheet is concerned, it is not at all ticklish. But I don't mean to say that ascertainment of effective kilometer, passenger kilometer, effective ton kilometers, etc. is ticklish. No, I don't mean to say so. But if an element of error peeps in the ascertainment of your effective kilometers or effective passenger kilometers, your operating cost, say the accurate answer or the exact answer in respect of operating cost, you can never, or you will never arrive at. Therefore, keep every point in mind. Thank you.